going on, everybody? Grim Repair here. Today I got a fairly big project. I got to pull all the suspension off of this thing, replace the door, replace the fender, try to bend out the bumper and all that stuff. So I thought it'd be a good time to show you what a mobile mechanic fix-all type of guy would have in his Packout. I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to start this off by saying, as frugal as I am, I didn't buy this myself. It was given to me for work, by my work. They said go spend $1,000 as a bonus, and this is what I got. But it does come in handy, and I do really like it. First, I'm going to start off with my sockets. I modified these trays here, put some grooves in the bottom so that I could put the hand chrome sockets in underneath of the impacts. And that's the metric side. Over here's my SAE side. Put the cardboard in here in between so they don't fall out while I'm carrying it around. I take this to the junkyard quite a bit. I got a lot of guys telling me in the short that I made that this is too heavy. It's 35 pounds. My line of work is hard. A lot of things are heavy. You know, keep doing heavy stuff and eventually you'll be able to do it no problem. Below that is a radio. Out of the $1,000 I spent on this Packout system, this was 300 of it. I kind of just like, well, what else am I gonna get? So I got this. It sounds really great. I really like it. It's a good radio. It doubles as a charger. It'll charge your phone, it'll charge your batteries, and it also plugs into the wall. You can play the radio off of this battery, and it plays for a long time on the battery. Good to keep the stress down, or if you need to bring a charger with you onto the job site, I think the radio is the way to go. Next is my 3-drawer. When you're working on cars, you really never know what you're gonna need every time, and you need a lot of different stuff a lot of the time. My bottom drawer here, I got some ratcheting wrenches. These are just ones I had doubles of, so I threw them in there. I've got an entire wrench set here on these wrench hoops. Got a crescent wrench. Safety glasses, some disposable gloves. I normally have a little screwdriver in here that I can fit all these different attachments in. That way I don't have to carry a bunch of different tools. I can organize it like this. Vice grips, some dish soap to wash my hands. Nobody ever seems to have good dish soap, so different pliers, impact extension, some wire cutters. Up here I got my impacts. I really like this one. Fits in some tight spaces. If you're gonna get one of these, you gotta run a bigger battery on it. It doesn't hit as hard on the small ones. Oh, not sure what's hanging up down there. Something's hanging up. Something in the bottom drawer is keeping this one from closing. I'll have to pull the drawer out and figure it out. Drawers pull out right here pretty easily. Oh, my soap's sticking up. There we go. Top drawer, got some towels, flashlight, one of these breaker bars that extend from Harbor Freight, hammer, hex drivers, magnetic pickup tool in case you drop something. All right, I'm gonna pull this one off, show you what I keep in the bottom, which is usually empty. Just bought it because it has wheels. But because I'm gonna be doing some body work here to get everything off, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to cut anything. I brought a couple saws this time. Got my angle grinder, the cutting blade, and a Sawzall. But usually, you know, if I'm gonna be gone all day, I'll pack a lunch, pack some drinks, paper towels, you know, just random stuff down here that doesn't fit anywhere else. And yeah, that's my Packout. There'll be links down below to all these things. It really comes in handy. I'm usually taking it to the junkyard or on a job site, and it keeps everything pretty organized. Thanks for watching.